If you're thinking about buying YouParcel, here are 7 things you need to know before making the decision. Whether you've heard of it or not, YouParcel stands out in a crowded market, and understanding these key details will help you make an informed choice. First, YouParcel offers something that sets it apart from many competitors: ease of use. Unlike other parcel forwarding services that are often difficult to navigate, YouParcel's platform is intuitive and user-friendly. If you've struggled with complicated forms or hidden fees from similar services like Shipito or Mayos, YouParcel's straightforward approach will be a breath of fresh air. Setting up an account is quick, and you get a clear overview of all your shipments in one place, making it perfect for first-time users and seasoned pros alike. Next thing to consider is how fast YouParcel's shipping process is. A lot of other forwarding services can be slow to process and ship packages, but YouParcel is known for its speed. With its global network of fulfillment centers, packages are processed quickly, and you get an estimated delivery time at checkout, so you'll always know when to expect your items. This is something that many competitors struggle with, leaving you guessing about your delivery time. With YouParcel, you'll never feel left in the dark. The third thing you should know is their pricing structure. Some services can surprise you with hidden fees, but YouParcel is transparent about all its costs upfront. The base shipping fee includes everything, no unexpected add-ons or inflation of costs. While some services charge you for every little detail, YouParcel's pricing is all-inclusive and competitive, making it one of the most affordable options on the market. The fourth thing is YouParcel's flexibility. Whether you're shopping from e-commerce giants like Amazon or smaller niche retailers, YouParcel can forward your packages from any store. They accept packages from virtually any retailer worldwide, which isn't always the case with competitors. If you want to shop internationally without worrying about whether a retailer will ship to you, YouParcel makes the process seamless. Next, YouParcel offers excellent customer support, something many parcel forwarding services often overlook. If you have any issues with your shipments, YouParcel's support team is responsive and ready to assist you. From tracking inquiries to package adjustments, their customer service has received consistently positive feedback. Other companies may leave you stuck in long support queues, but with YouParcel, you'll get quick and helpful responses, ensuring your experience is smooth and stress-free. The sixth thing you should know is about their package consolidation service. If you regularly shop from multiple stores, YouParcel can consolidate all your packages into one, saving you money on shipping fees. It's a service that's often a hassle with other forwarding companies, requiring you to manually request it. YouParcel makes this step easy and automatic, so you can shop from different stores without worrying about the extra cost of multiple shipments. Lastly, YouParcel allows you to access discounts that most competitors don't offer. With partnerships and exclusive deals, you get access to reduced shipping rates, making it even more cost-effective. It's a great way to make your international shopping experience even more affordable, giving YouParcel an edge over other parcel forwarding services that don't have these types of discounts in place. If you want to try out YouParcel for yourself and get the best free trial and exclusive benefits, all you need to do is click the first link in the description. By signing up through that link, you'll be able to experience YouParcel's top-tier service and discover if it's the right solution for your shipping needs. Don't miss out on this offer. Check it out now.